beautiful people. How are you doing? So if you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. But then again, you're welcome. If you are returning subscriber, thank you, will love you. So in this video today, I want to be talking about Amazon KDP because I've been receiving tons of messages and tons of comments about Amazon KDP. So you that you're looking at me like this, I know you have not subscribed. Oh yeah, Onugo, my brother. Hey, Omo Yami. Hey, Megida. Yay. Nine. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. We love you. So on this platform, as you all know, I upload videos about opportunities of making money online. So that is why I'm discussing this because I get a whole lot of questions about it. I had a video on this platform that I uploaded and I tried to, screen record Amazon KDP, like the process to which you can upload books and thereof and the rest of it. But on Amazon KDP, you cannot screen record. I don't know how some people do it. But the truth is, since I use my phone to record how to make money online. That is why I decided to use my phone to record that video, and the screen obviously was, off. So, but then again, I'll be saying a few things about Amazon, and the truth is about Amazon KDP, about Amazon KDP, you need someone to either hold your hand or someone to teach you and have a record of it where you can always fall back to, because Amazon get plenty rules and regulation, you understand. So Amazon KDP is a sub, like maybe a branch of Amazon itself. Most of you, especially most of those in the US, they know more about Amazon because most of them shop on Amazon, but most of Nigerians don't know much about it. But you can work under Amazon and get paid in Nigeria by uploading books. So what you do basically on Amazon is to upload books. Now it might not it's necessarily doesn't have to be, a big novel or a big whatever that you can read, or a novel of 480 pages or 500 pages, you understand. You can write a book on how to lose weight using chat GPT and editing it and all of that. You can write a book of the exercises that I would do to lose weight, the foods I would do to lose weight, keto diet to lose weight, or anything of that such. You can write about children books, how to be a good parent, how to parent a child, how to give a child a good life, business, how to start a business online, how to do this and that. So it doesn't really necessarily have to be a book of 400 and something pages. You understand? And also you can do low content. Now, low content are books like, your notebooks. I don't have one here, but I would have probably showed you what a notebook looks like. What I can tell you is you can go on Canva and do the design and here and there. You get? But Amazon has a whole lot of work. And that is why I'm recommending Amazon KDP to you by Abraham Ayejina. This is someone I know and I'm recommending his book because a lot of people have used it and they've testified to it. Moreover, he has a platform where after you pay for the course, there's actually a course. After you pay for the course is 20,000. I won't really, I don't know how Yoruba people say this, but I call Kenyan for us, sorry, I want funny or just I for you. You understand? As I am like this, I have invested in books, I've invested in a lot of things. You get? So I am not doing mago for you. The book is the course is 20,000 naira. If you have it and you intend to make money on Amazon, you can get the course because you'll be making times 10 or times 20 of that amount. Because the course will teach you how you can connect your Payoneer to your Amazon, how you can input tax information, how you can write an ebook or do a low content book on your mobile phone, how you can use Canva to design your designs, how you can know the type of template to design, how you can know the type of books to write that will make sales in 2 or 3 months. You understand? how you can know what to type, how to type your keywords, how to do this, and you even get some app pro accounts for free. You understand? Amazon is not chin chin. Amazon is not chin chin. Some people charge for this thing, charge like 50k, some 100k. But this guy is pouring out a whole lot of content for just 20,000 naira. If you don't have the money now, you can save up and buy the course. But if you intend to start making money in the next 2 months, I will advise you to get that course. It will go a long way. See, as I am like this, I cannot answer all your questions on Amazon KDP. Ha! Ha! It's just like you asking me to answer question on Nigeria when I wan finish am. Like, if you ask me to answer questions on Nigeria, when will I finish answering those questions? You understand? So that is why I'm recommending his course, and his platform is a platform where you meet people that have been making money on Amazon for over 7 years, 5 years, and they keep earning monthly from Amazon. So you can chat them up, relate with them. Okay, what is this thing I'm doing wrong? Just to meet new people in the field or in the niche that can help you grow. And that is why I'm recommending that course, because it is like A to Z. A to Z. Oh my God, I tell you. Now, Amazon KDP is not for the lazy. It is not for the lazy. Don't say I say you will start making money. You understand? It is not for the lazy. All those people coming online telling you guys that you can do, you can start Amazon and work 2 hours or 1 hour in a day, and then you start making money. And then they will say link in my bio. You pay for their course, you pay for their mentorship, and after like 6 months you are not making anything. It's because they've given you the wrong mentality. They've given you the wrong mentality that the moment you start working on Amazon, you are going to get paid instantly. Yami, it is wrong mentality. I'm telling you. If you be self hustler like me, wey dey hustle like this, we go tell each other truth. You understand? It is not that you will not make money, but maybe after like 2 months that you have put in dedicated work. You know what it means to write an article and check for plagiarism and all of that? You understand? So, but if you're able to write 3 ebooks in a day for like 2 months, I tell you, in fact, kò ní tó 3rd month gan tó ti máa pawó wọlé. You won't even get to the 3rd month before you start earning money online using his course and his strategies. So guys, I won't even want to say too much because I've even said a lot. I've said a lot about the course. So I won't even want to say too much. If you want access to getting the course online, please chat me up or join the Telegram account. Then you chat Telegram channel, then you chat me up and I'll forward the link to where you can get the ebook for you. I cannot say anything about other ebooks. I cannot talk much about them. But the truth is, this particular ebook is what I can recommend and it is what I can talk about. You now see the confidence. Hiya! And I see the confidence. It's because so sure for me. The book sure. It's sure. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you.